Hi guys, what's up? So today I have a very exciting unboxing for you. I have partnered with the company BANGS Shoes. I am now an ambassador for them. So I got my shoes in the mail and I will put the promo code for you to get your own pair and get a little discount. I only just started with them, but like it's super fun. It's a great community. And then like every month we have to share a photo with a theme, and it's just a really fun way to engage with a bunch of people with a lot of the same passions. So I'm very excited for my shoes. Very excited. I don't have a sharp pointy object. Okay, so I just like totally destroyed that box, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm so excited. So before I open the shoes themselves, I already got a quick peek and they look great. I'm very excited, but I just want to tell you about this company. So 20% of the profits from every purchase are invested in entrepreneurs around the world, and I think that's really great. We're helping people get their business started, live their passions, live their life. I think that's awesome. The shoes all look super dope. They're supposed to be really, really good quality, so I'm very excited to wear them on some adventures with Jess. Are you ready, babe? They look so good. How cute is that? Get a close up.
Those are really, oh wait, hold on.
They're super cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. So these are the Firefly high tops. I'm so excited with how they look. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. So yeah, I kind of was like taking my time picking the shoe I want because I love shoes. They really express a lot about me. I have always loved catching fireflies. I think we should go catch fireflies with these. Okay. This is going to be a second video, but I'm actually going to add some glow-in-the-dark paint to the fireflies so that my shoes actually glow in the dark like fireflies. And like I said, every purchase helps invest in thousands of entrepreneurs and businesses around the world, which is just great. I think right now we really need to focus on the small businesses and the entrepreneurs. They're getting hit really hard with the pandemic. I'm gonna have a lot of posts about these because like I said, every month they give you a theme and you make a post about it, and I'm just really excited to like really delve into creativity and come up with unique ideas, and I'm so excited. They're gonna be so cute once I add the glow-in-the-dark paint too. Yeah, those are them. I'm very excited. So excited. Aren't they super cute?
Yeah, they are really cute. I
can't get over how cute they are. So go to the description below. I have a promo code for you, and you can buy your own pair of shoes with a little bit of a discount. Yeah, very excited. All right, bye guys.